It's my mate's 1955-ish, we think. Fiat Topolino estate, what do you call them? Not really quite sure. Had a lot of work done, all the welding's been done, new floors, new in sills, outer sills, engine rebuilt, chassis, body off a chassis, all repainted, but not to a concours standard, just a usable condition. Was running, as you could have seen in one of the earlier videos, but for some reason the starter has now decided to quit. Seats are good, all original rubber carpets, mats should we say, back seat to be fitted, new roof. Like I said, engine rebuilt, that can be seen running in another video, but the starter's quit, so we're doing that. Paintwork to be finished off yet. Got to two-tone it as well in the door panels. Gonna want about 7.5 for it when it's done.